What's the meaning of anyhow? Anyhow. 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 Anyhow.
Anyhow is an adverb used to indicate that something is done or said without attention to details, rules, or order. It implies a lack of care or precision. It can also be used to suggest that something happened in an unexpected or unplanned way. Using anyhow often means that the speaker is not concerned with the specific outcome and is more interested in getting the task done quickly. Overall, anyhow is a term that suggests a haphazard approach to something, and often implies a less than desirable result.